This is my pile of crap 2005 Dodge Neon that I've been winter beaten. Now I've been kind of neglecting this thing over the winter, so it's time to restore it to its former glory of at least working properly. Now the first thing we got to fix are the brakes. A couple weeks ago, I was at my buddy's cabin and we were drifting on the lake, and I kind of piled this thing into a snowbank. And when I did that, I locked the e-brake shoes in the drum back here and caused this whole back wheel to lock up.
It's just you don't have enough traction. This guy's locked up. Because you're going downhill.
So in order to get home, I pulled this drum off and pulled the pads off of the e-brake shoes here, or the brake shoes, I guess, because it all runs off the same thing, so that this wasn't locked up anymore. But I don't know if you can see that. She's been rubbing on bare metal ever since. Now this drum is absolutely destroyed from that, and I really should replace it, but I'm not going to, because I don't care. So I picked up the perfect stop. E-brake shoes, brake shoes. Oh nice, it's a set of them. Now we're gonna put them on there. Let me just watch a quick YouTube video on how to do that, because I've never worked on drum brakes.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your drum brakes on your car or your truck.
There we go. And that's one side done. I checked the other side, it still looked alright, so we're gonna leave that one alone for now. But the next thing on our list to do is replace some shifter bushings, because the ones on the Lame Neon are clapped and it prevents me from shifting, which is not very fun. So let's get on that. Alright, let's get the battery out. Get this battery tray out. And yeah, there's not much left of this one. Compared to the new one? Yeah, that'll be way better. Alright, that's finally done. That was a pain in the butt. Not fun. Let's get the battery back in. Start putting this thing back together. I cleaned the filter, which was much overdue. So while that dries, let's get in here and fix a couple dents, shall we? Starting with this one here on the hood. I don't want to talk about how that happened. Oh, just about. I think we'll call that good. Let's see. Oh yeah. It kind of came out. Maybe a couple more little love taps. It's like it never happened. Alright, now let's do some rust repair. Oh, some big rust right here. Hold up. Oh man, I should fix that too. Bam. Rust repaired. Now let's maybe flake off some of this loose stuff. I love neons. I love neons so much. Oh, it's okay. We don't need this. Good old rust repair out. Oh, hit the tire there. Bam! Now, while we're here, let's get a fresh coat on these wheels. Brand new. Yeah, let's do this one too. Fresh. Someone take the spray can away from me. Now this was a spot I had previously repaired, as you can see right here. And the cancer has continued to spread, so. Gone. Ooh, look at that. That's gotta go. Gotta fix that. This whole chunk missing here. Perfect. Oh. Oh, there's a little. Perfect. Now the last thing I want to do to that little turd over there is throw the nicer wheels back on it. You know, I am over these lame ass Steelies. But they're at my grandpa's house. We gotta go cruise over there, pick them up. Then we'll swap them over. And then the lame neon has officially been spit and shined. It's been restored. Well, it snowed last night. So, maybe we'll keep the winter tires on for a little longer. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. And go check out this video somewhere over here. It didn't do as good as I wanted it to, and it deserves more love. But thanks for watching. See ya.